In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a theme into Google Slides. If you're looking to spice up your presentation with a fresh design, this is the perfect place to start. Whether you want to maintain consistency with previous work or simply switch things up with a new style, importing a theme is a straightforward way to achieve a polished look. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident in executing it yourself. To begin, you'll need to open your presentation. Launch Google Slides in your web browser and locate the specific presentation that you want to work with. Once you have your presentation open, everything you need is within easy reach on the top menu bar. Next, look towards the upper part of your screen and find the menu option labeled Slide. Click on this and you'll see a drop-down list of options for you to explore various slide preferences and modifications. From this list, find and click on Change Theme. This opens up a theme panel on your right where you can see current themes available. At the very bottom of this panel lies the command we're interested in, Import Theme. Click on Import Theme to start the process of bringing a new design into your presentation. This action acts as your gateway to a wider array of design possibilities, all stored within your own resources or available for upload. Now you have the option to bring in a presentation theme from either your Google Drive or directly from your computer. If you opt for Google Drive, browse through your saved presentations to find the one whose theme you wish to use. If the theme is in a file stored on your computer, click on the Upload button and follow the prompts to add your file. Once you've pinpointed the presentation containing your desired design, it's time to make it your own. Select the presentation and you'll be greeted with a preview of the theme styles contained within. Take a moment to ensure this is indeed the design you're after. Once satisfied, click on Import Theme. This action applies your chosen theme to your current presentation, brilliantly transforming its look and feel. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to import a theme into your Google Slides presentation. This feature allows you to not only maintain thematic consistency across multiple presentations, but also effortlessly refresh your design with new styles. With this skill under your belt, you can confidently go forth to craft professional and captivating presentations. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep creating and see you in the next tutorial.